Well, hello everyone. I've spent way too many hours on this project. I am going to finish it up today. My main goal was to show you how to add sections, which I did, and I wasn't recording. And that's your girl. So, we're going to do it again right here. We're just going to use one wire. Don't have to be too big. We're going to fold that in half, even though we don't need it. Take your 2 wires. You can use 2 wires or 4 or however many you want. Line them up like this with the longest wire. Put in a few twists like that. And now you went from 1 wire to 2. You're going to do that on the same side as well. This tutorial is just wrapping it all up, showing you how to add more wires, even though I showed you how to add an entire section, because I did make a mistake, but I fixed it. So, one of the questions I get a lot is, gee, Marian, that's awful big. I bet it's heavy. Yeah, it's heavy. This took a lot of crystals, a lot of beads. In this one here, I do have an idea where I would like to send it to, and if it goes well, I will share with you who I'm going to send it to. However, if I do that, I also want you to subscribe to their channel, just as a courtesy, because I absolutely love them. It is a homestead. That's all I'm going to tell you. So now that I've added all these wires, I'm going to bead these, and that will fill in. I'll just move this a little bit for you. I'm going to work on my workspace as well. I would like to have my cameras above my work, not to my left. And I added more wire here, and that should be enough to fill it in. And I will put one more. We'll put 2. Because even if we don't need them, we can still twist with them to get a longer branch. So I think what I'll do, I'll go here, because this one here already has 4, this one only has 2. I'll take my 2 wires, bring them right to the middle, right here, and then I'm going to twist out just a little bit. They won't come undone, I promise. So now you went from having 2 wires right there. Now you have 4, and you've created another section to branch. So you don't have one long branch taking up your entire base, your form, and that would make it weak. So now let's take a look at what we have. These are more than enough branches to fill in this section. I will beat it, and then I will be back.